Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML responsive website. And right now, we'll be discussing about the viewport. Setting the viewport to create a responsive website, add the following meta tag to all your web pages. Example, meta tag is going to have name along with the content attribute. Then the name is going to have the viewport. The content is going to have width is equal to device minus width, comma, initial minus scale is equal to 1.0. It's going to have this meta tag inside your web page so that you can have the responsive viewport. This will set the viewport of your page, which will give the browser instructions on how to control the page's dimensions and scaling. Here is an example of a web page without the viewport meta tag and the same web page with the viewport meta tag. As you can see, this one right here is having small picture because it's not having the viewport meta tag, and this one is having big, and the picture is full the screen. So that is the example I want to show you guys. So as you can see, the picture is looking nice in the second one than this one at the first one. As you can see, this one is looking nice right here on the mobile. So that's what I want to show you guys. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next.